Today I want to show you a recently acquired bit of awesomeness. This is a 2000 Husqvarna 610 Supermoto. This bike right here in 2000, when I was in I think I had my first child at 30, at $10,900, was way out of my reach at that time. In this shape, it's pretty affordable. It's one of the first real true supermotos. It's kind of started with the Duke, the KTM Duke, and then everybody started making them more. This was basically Husqvarna's TE610, and the motor has been around for about 10 years before this came out. The 610 was basically a big desert sled. They stiffened up the suspension, threw some 17-inch tires on it, wheels on it, and it's a monster. It's about 320 pounds. It's probably 45 to 50 rear wheel horse. It looked a little nicer. I had a strap brake on the trailer while I was bringing it over and pretty much dinged it up, but everything's still good. The essentials, radiator, I did bump the clutch or the choke lever there a little bit too much, but it should come back together. This was a very, very exclusive, very, very, very interesting bike at the time. I'm happy to have it. It's got a Uptight Racing slip-on, which is, well, actually not slip-on. You can see it's a full system with kind of like the reverse expansion chamber that was real popular on four-strokes at that time. These give excellent suspension. I think it's a white power front branded with Husqvarna. It's got a massive 320 millimeter disc. It's got a 4-pot Brembo caliper, which is just insane stopping for a 320-pound bike. That's about as much overkill as you can get. It's got the Sachs rear shock. Sachs was kind of coming on at this time. You see them now on a lot of the late model Ducatis and stuff like that. They're definitely a good shock. This one's got 21,000 miles on it. I'll probably just put it back on the street. I'm missing the seat, which means I'll have to eBay out this seat and rear side covers. I've got the front side covers, but for the price, it was pretty complete. And you figure after I repair everything that needs to be repaired, I'll probably put it into the shed at just under $2,000, including the purchase price, which is insane. Now, the difference between this and, say, a Husqvarna 701 or the KTM Duke 690, they're like 75, 80 horsepower at the rear wheel, maybe 70. Are they better bikes? Yeah, but $13,000 against a couple grand, I'm too cheap not to. So we'll get around to doing it, and I'll update a new video once we get it back on the road. I'll probably do a compression test and basically see if I need rings or anything like that, and I'll make videos of that when it comes. Probably lose the airbox, and it's got a big, these had the Delorto 40 on them, which they like a huge K&N filter. The airbox is good, but I don't think I'd throw the money of putting an FCR 41 on it. So, but that's it. Pretty neat for 2000. Thanks.